So good afternoon, students. I am Dr. Gauri Soman from Department of Botany, and I'll be taking 2 lectures per week, out of which one lecture will be online lecture, and maybe the other lecture will be a Google Classroom lecture. I repeat, a Google Classroom lecture where I'll be giving you the notes and diagrams for drawing. So welcome to the lecture, all of you. Again, I'm introducing myself. I'm Gauri Soman Madam from Dr. Gauri Soman from Department of Botany. And initially, I'll be taking 2 units from this term. One unit is Bryophyta and second unit is genetics. But dear students, I request all of you, please mute yourselves. I'm starting a presentation for you. I'm starting a presentation for you. Please observe carefully. I'll be taking full screen in 2 minutes from now. Yes. I hope you can see. Somebody can tell me. Somebody can answer. Can you see the screen properly? कोणीतरी answer करा. Unmute करा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you see a beautiful picture? तुम्हाला दिसतंय A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,
Yes,
I,
ma'am.
J.
Yes.
These are plants.
Yes,
What are
ma'am.
these? These are beautiful plants which you can see. Different types of plants. So today I'm going to teach you the topic plant diversity. आजचा टॉपिक काय आपला प्लांट डायव्हर्सिटी. मी अशा करता तुम्हाला विचारलं द ऑडिओ अँड व्हिडिओ शुड बी क्लिअर. आय होप बोथ इज क्लिअर. इफ द ऑडिओ और व्हिडिओ गोज ऑफ प्लीज इन्फॉर्म मी somebody of you. So we start today plant diversity. म्हणजे काय? What is plant diversity? See this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and Z. There are so many plants. Every plant is diverse. Every plant is diverse. What is, I request all of you, dear students, please mute yourselves. तुमचा ऑडिओ बंद करा. कुणाचा तरी ऑडिओ चालू आहे. प्लीज. ओके, कमिंग बॅक. डायव्हर्सिटी म्हणजे काय? विविधता. विविधता. So different types of plants which you will find here. Now, when you generally classify plants, how is the classification going? तुम्हाला हे माहिती असेल. आपण परत एकदा आज रिव्हिजन करूया. When you say kingdom plantae, that means plants. Plants. The kingdom is plants. Under kingdom plants, there are 2 subdivisions or subkingdoms. I repeat, under plants, there are 2 subkingdoms. That is cryptogamy and phanerogamy. तुम्ही हे ऐकलंय का? मला उत्तर द्या चला. हे ऐकलंय तुम्ही? Yes, somebody?
Yes, ma'am.
Now ऐकलंय
Yes,
तुम्ही?
ma'am.
Cryptogamy आणि phanerogamy. Now what are cryptogams? Cryptogams are lower plants. What are they? Lower plants. In this lower plants, I repeat, in this lower plants, what is the meaning of lower plants? These plants are non-flowering. मी परत repeat करते. Cryptogams or cryptogamy. These plants are not going to produce any flowers. So dear students, when flowers are not produced, what it means? Flower will turn into a fruit. Inside the fruit, you get the seed, correct? So the plant, if it is not going to produce flower, no question of fruiting and producing seed. So subdivision cryptogamy means, or cryptogams means, those plants which are non-flowering. I repeat what I said, non-flowering or not producing seeds. Not producing seeds. They are called as lower plants. And the second type are advanced. They are called as phanerogams. I repeat, they are called as phanerogams or phanerogamy. What to say about this? These plants produce flowers. They are flowering plants. They are flowering plants. Also, they produce seed. So I repeat, flowering and seed bearing plants. परत एकदा सांगते, flowering and seed bearing plants. Flower will produce seed. Inside the seed, or maybe outside the seed also, you can get the, outside the fruit, you can get the seed. So flowering and producing seeds, they come under phanerogams. These are highly evolved plants. These are primitive and these are evolved. Now coming back to subkingdom Cryptogamy, depending upon their characters, I repeat, depending upon their characters, they are modified as, or rather sub-classified as divisions. So under cryptogamy, you have three divisions, namely Thallophyta, Bryophyta, and Pteridophyta. I repeat, Thallophyta, Bryophyta, and Pteridophyta. And under phanerogamy, you have the division Spermatophyta. Spermatophyta means seed bearing plants. Seed bearing plants. Coming back to Thallophyta, the division is Thallophyta. The plants, the plant body, when it is made up of simple thallus. मी परत repeat करते, plant body is a simple thallus, undifferentiated or not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. Dear students, generally for a layman, when we say a plant, ते बघा झाड आहे, ते बघा तिकडे झाड आहे, आपण काय म्हणतो, the plant has root, stem, leaves. नॉर्मली आपल्याला काय दिसतं झाडामध्ये, root, stem, leaves. But these parts which are common for a typical plant are not present here because it is a lower plant. Plant body is a simple thallus, undifferentiated or not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. Fine. Then you move on to the next division, that is Bryophyta. Under Bryophyta, we say that the plant body is differentiated. Bryophyta, plant body is differentiated into root-like, म्हणजे root सारखे दिसणारं, stem-like, looking like a stem, and leaf-like organs. Something looking like root, something looking like stem, and something looking like leaf. Then the division is called Bryophyta. Here, Thallophyta, the plant body was thallus. Then after evolution, the next plants coming are Bryophyta. Plant body is differentiated. I repeat, plant body is differentiated into root-like, stem-like and leaf-like organs. Dear students, the root-like organs are called as rhizoids. What are they called? Rhizoids. The stem-like are called as calloids. And the leaf-like organs are called as phylloids. Example here is moss or rixia or funaria. We move on. More evolution is taking place. You come to the division Pteridophyta, where the plant body is differentiated. I repeat, plant body is differentiated into proper root, stem and leaves. Yet, flowers and fruits are not produced. Repeating, Pteridophyta, plant body is differentiated into root, stem and leaves, not producing flowers and fruits. Example is pteris or Nephrolepis, that is common fern. Coming back to division Thallophyta, under division Thallophyta, you have two subdivisions, that is algae and fungi. Both of this you'll be learning this year. Then you come to phanerogamy, that is spermatophyta. These are seed-bearing plants. Under that, you have two subdivisions, division gymnospermy and division angiospermy. Under division gymnospermy, the characters are the plant body is differentiated into root, stem and leaves. Also, it will produce flowers and fruits. It will produce flowers and fruits. However, in all the gymnosperms, fruits may not be produced. In many of the gymnosperms, the seeds are naked. That is, the seeds are directly produced on the plant. Or the ovules. The ovules are not present inside the ovary. Ovules are not present inside the ovary, or seeds are not present inside the fruit. These characters are for gymnospermy or gymnosperms. Example is cycas. Example is cycas. Dear students, maybe in films, because it is not possible for everybody to go to beautiful hill stations in Kashmir and Himalayas. You must have all drawn a Christmas tree. तुम्ही लहानपणी क्रिसमस ट्री काढलं असेल. क्रिसमस ट्री त्याच्यावरती बर्फा पडलेला दाखवतो आपण. Yes, that Christmas tree is nothing but Orocaria. त्या क्रिसमस ट्रीचं नाव आहे Orocaria and it belongs to subdivision Gymnospermy. So beautiful plants that you see in the colder regions. Which are the colder regions in India? You can say the western and eastern Himalayas. Kashmir, you must have heard, it is heaven on the earth. Himalayas, yes, Kulu, Manali, Simla, Dehradun. And on the eastern side, you have Darjeeling. And in the southern region of India, you have Kodaikanal and Ooty. So gymnosperms grow very well where the climate is cold. When I'll teach you different types of gymnosperms later on, I will show you beautiful pictures of gymnosperms. For the time being, keep in mind that the Christmas tree which you draw is a gymnosperm. And then to end with, the most evolved of all the plants are called as angiosperms. तुमचे common plants आहेत, different types of flowers, different types of fruits. कुठचे flowers आहेत? Rose, yes, जास्वंद, सदाफुली, and fruits which you eat. तुम्हाला आवडते fruits आहेत. कुठचे आवडतात? आंबा, चिकू, फणस, काजू, बदाम. All this comes under angiosperms. What are the characters of angiosperms? Angiosperms means it is a well-developed plant, root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Ovules are produced inside the ovary and seeds are produced inside the fruit. Common example घ्या तुम्ही आंबा or mango. When you eat a mango, what you get inside that? You get the seed. So what is the proof of that? The seed is present inside the fruit. All types of cereals. P म्हणजे वाटाणा, paddy म्हणजे rice. Whatever you eat every day, rice, wheat, jawar, bajra, maize, different types of vegetables, spices. Spices मध्ये काय येतं? आलं, लिंबू, मिरची, correct? Aala, lasoon, garam masala, all the plants come under the subdivision angiospermy. So this is the outline of plant diversity. Dear students, I request all of you to take a screenshot. Sagyan, yacha screenshot gya. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Please take a screenshot of this. I want you to take a screenshot of this. All of you, please take a screenshot. Come on. Everybody has taken the screenshot. Please answer me.
Yes, miss.
Sagyani Ghetla? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, I'll be stopping the recording for the day, and further we'll continue in the next lecture. I'll be teaching you about bryophytes. So that for the time being, let us continue with plant diversity.